Today we are going to discuss about compound angles, objective, and completion of this presentation. You would be able to know definition of compound angles, geometrical proof of formula sin A plus B, sin A plus B, cos A plus B, and sin A minus B, cos A minus B, tan A plus B, tan A minus B, formula for sin A plus B into sin A minus B, cos A plus B into cos A minus B, tan A plus B into tan A minus B. And also formulas of tan pi by 4 plus a comma tan pi by 4 minus a, and equalities of tan pi by 4 plus a is equal to cot pi by 4 minus a, tan pi by 4 minus a equal to cot pi by 4 plus a. Definition: what is the compound angle? An algebraic sum of two or more angles is called a compound angle. An algebraic sum of two or more angles. Here angles means A, B, C, R. The algebraic sum of two or more angles is called compound angle. That is, if A comma B and C be any three angles, then the angles A plus B, A minus B, A plus B plus C, A minus B plus C, are so on. Are compound angles. Let A equal to 60 degrees and B equal to 30 degrees. What are the values of sin 60, sin 30, sin 90? A equal to 60, B equal to 30 degrees. Earlier we know that sin 60 degrees equal to root 3 by 2, and as a sin 30 degrees equal to 1 by 2 and sin 90 degrees equal to 1. Is sin A plus B equal to sin A plus B? So let us check it. Let A plus B equal to 90 degrees, hence sin A plus B equal to sin 90 degrees is equal to 1. And sin A plus sin B equal to sin 60 degrees plus sin 30 degrees. Here A equal to 60 degrees, B equal to 30 degrees. Sin 60 plus sin A plus B equal to sin A plus sin B equal to sin 60 degrees plus sin 30 degrees. So apply the values of sin 60 degrees. Sin 60 degrees equal to root 3 by 2 and sin 30 degrees equal to 1 by 2. Root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2, here answer equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2, because denominator 2 is 2 is same, add the numerator, answer equal to sin A plus sin B equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2. So sin A plus sin B equal to root 3 by 2, sin A plus B equal to 1. Therefore, sin A plus B not equal to sin A plus sin B. Therefore, sin A plus B not equal to sin A plus B. And sin A plus B and sin A sin B need not be equal. Similarly, cos A plus B or cos A minus B need not be equal to cos A plus cos B or cos A minus cos B. Similarly, tan also. Geometrical proof of sin A plus B and cos A plus B theorem. If A comma B belongs to R, then sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, and cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Prove it. Take revolving, let a revolving ray starting from initial position OX, trace out XOY equal to A, and take the position OY. Let the revolving further from its position OY to take the position OJ, so that YOZ equal to angle XOZ equal to A plus B, then it P. Let P be any point on OZ. Let P be any point on OZ. Draw PQ, PR perpendicular to OX and OY respectively. From R, draw RS and RT perpendicular to OX and PR respectively. So once again, let a revolving ray starting from an initial position OX, trace out angle XOY equal to A and take the position. OY, let it be revolve further from its position OY to take the position OZ, so that angle YOZ equal to B. Angle XO, therefore, angle XOZ equal to A plus B. Let P be any point on OZ. Let take P and any point on Z. Draw PR, PQ and PR perpendicular to OX and OY. Draw PQ perpendicular to OX and PR perpendicular to OY respectively. From R, draw from R. Where is R? R is on Y axis. OY axis. From R, draw RS and RT perpendicular to OX and PR. RS perpendicular to OX and RT perpendicular to PQ respectively. Now let TPR equal to, I am finding TPR angle. Now angle TPR equal to TPR is here in place of T is angle is exactly 90 degrees and remaining is 90 minus. Angle TPR equal to 90 degrees minus angle TRP. Angle TRP 90 degrees minus TRP is equal to angle TRO. Angle TRY equal to is similarly equal to angle XOY. So XOY angle is A. Therefore, angle TPR angle equal to A. Name it as angle as A. The right angle triangle OPQ. See, right angle triangle OPQ. Sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Here OPQ is angle is A plus B. Opposite side is PQ and hypotenuse is OP. Hypotenuse is OP. Take out PQ as two parts, that is PT and TQ divided by R, same as it is OP. PT by TQ is equal to RS. TQ is equal to RS. Put it in TQ as RS. PT plus RS by OP. PT by OP plus RS by OP. Next, RS by OP plus PT by OP. Multiply and divide RS by OP into OR by OR. Multiply and divide RS, multiply and divide with OR, OR and RS OP. Place PT by OP, multiply and divide with PR. Next, RS by OR. RS by OR means where is RS in our drawing diagram? RS is R2. Yes, RS is an in this way. See diagram carefully. RS. RS. OR is O to R. This is angle here. Angle is A. RS is opposite side and OR is hypotenuse. Opposite side hypotenuse is sin theta. That is here angle is A. Sin here. Next OR by OP. Here OR is OP. OR by OP. Here angle is beta. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse is OP. Adjacent side is OR. Here angle is beta. That is adjacent side by hypotenuse is cos theta. That is cos B. Next PT by PR. PT. Where is PT? P2 D. PT. Here angle in is a PT by PR. PT by PR. PT by. This is the adjacent side. PR is hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse is cos theta. Here angle is A. That is cos A. Next to PR by OP. Where is PR? PR. PR by OP. PR is here. In the angle beta, PR is opposite side. OP is hypotenuse. PR by OP is opposite by hypotenuse is sin theta. Here angle is beta. B so sin B. So sin A cos B plus cos A sin A. That is sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So first proof is completed. Next we shall go second proof. The right angle triangle OPQ cos A plus B. Cos A plus B. Cos A plus B in angle OPQ, there is OPQ O P Q. In angle OPQ, cos A plus B equal to adjacent side. The adjacent side is OQ. Hypotenuse is OQ by OP. Take out OQ as OS minus OS minus QS, OS minus QS. Split in two parts, OS by OP. Here QS is equal to TR. QS is equal to TR. OS minus OP minus TR by OP. Multiply and divide OS by OP with OR. OS by OR into OR by OP. And multiply and divide with TR by OP into PR. That is TR by PR into PR by OP. Next, OS by OR. Where is it? Where is OS? Here OS is adjacent side. OS by OR. OR is hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Here angle is A. That is cos A. Next, OR by OP. Where is OR? OR by OP. This is also hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse, but angle is beta. That is cos B. Next, TR by PR. Where is TR? TR by PR. TR by PR. In angle A, TR equal to opposite side. PR is hypotenuse. Therefore, angle is A. That is sin A. Next, PR by OP. PR by OP. PR is angle B. PR is opposite side, and OP is hypotenuse. That is sin B. Sin theta. Opposite side by hypotenuse is sin theta. Here angle is B. That is sin B. Cos overall cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. That is cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So formulas are, first one is sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, and sin A cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Which the value of expression. The sin 60 degrees cos 30 degrees, cos 60 degrees sin 30 degrees. That means here A equal, let it as A equal to 60 degrees, B equal to 30 degrees. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. It is equal to sin A plus B formula. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. That equal to sin A plus B sin 60 degrees plus sin 30 degrees. That equal to sin 90 degrees. Sin 90 degrees equal to 1. Therefore, answer is C. Next question. The value of expression cos 60 degrees cos 30 degrees minus sin 60 degrees sin 30 degrees, that equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B formula. Equal to. Assume that 60 degrees is A and 30 degrees equal to B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B formula is cos A plus B formula. Uh, Cos A plus B means 60 degrees plus 30 degrees, that equal to cos 90 degrees. Cos 90 degrees equal to 0. Answer is C. Nick, what is the formula of sin A plus B into cos A plus B? So we proved that sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, and cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Theorem, we have to prove sin A plus B. Sin A plus B we have proved. We have to prove sin A minus B and cos A minus B, and also tan A plus B, tan A minus B. Okay? So many targets are there. If A comma B belongs to R, here we are proving sin A minus B formula. If A comma B belongs to R, then sin A minus B equal to sin A plus or sin A plus or minus B. So this is same formula sin A plus B. Just put it in B as minus B. Just sin A plus B formula sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So sin A into cos of minus B, cos A into sin A minus B. Sin A cos B. Cos of plus degree is minus degree is always cos cos degree. That is cos of minus B equal to just cos B. Sin of minus B to take out minus as uh, front side, outside, that is sin A minus B equal to minus sin B. So sin A cos B as it is sin A cos of minus B is sin A cos B, and cos A sin of minus B is minus cos A sin B, because cos theta is, it is there. Next, cos A minus B formula. Sin A minus B is clear. Sin A minus B formula, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Just put it in place of plus as minus. In answer also same. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Next, cos A minus B formula. That is, we take cos A like cos A plus B formula. Cos of A plus of minus B. So in place of put B as minus B. Cos A plus cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. But here B is minus B. So in cos theta, plus theta is minus theta is always plus theta. In sin theta, angle plus is plus and minus is totally minus. Cos A cos B is plus cos A cos B, and minus sin A into sin of minus B. Sin of minus B minus sin B. Minus and minus plus. Therefore, cos A cos B equal to plus sin A plus sin A into sin B. Theorem cos A minus B also completed. Next, we have to prove tan A plus B formula. Actually, tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Therefore, tan A plus B equal to sin A plus B by cos A plus B. Tan A plus B equal to sin A plus B by cos B. Sin A plus B formula, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. And divided by cos A plus B formula, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Divide numerator and divided by cos A cos B. Cos A cos B. Divide with numerator cos A cos B and divide denominator cos A cos B. Split it into two parts. Sin A cos B by cos A cos B. Here cos B cancel. That is sin A by cos A is tan A. Next, cos A sin B by cos A cos B. Cos A cancel. Sin B by cos B is tan B. By denominator, cos A cos B cancel. Sin A sin B by cos A cos B is tan B. Okay, clear. That is, tan A plus B formula is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. This is, I will discuss this one more time. Tan A plus B formula, we are finding tan A plus B formula. Actually, tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Therefore, tan A plus B formula, tan A plus B equal to sin A plus B by cos A plus. Write the sin A plus B formula in numerator and write the cos A plus B formula denominator. Sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. And denominator cos A plus B formula is cos A cos B, cos A plus B formula cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Multiply and divide with. So dividing numerator and divide with cos A cos B. Dividing numerator and divide by cos A cos B. Dividing with numerator and divide by cos A cos B. First numerator. Split in two parts. Sin A cos B by cos B plus cos A sin B by cos A cos B. In left first part, cos numerator denominator cos B cancel. Sin A by cos B, sin A by cos B is tan A. Next second part, next half part, cos A by sin B by cos A by the sin cos B. Cos A cancel. Sin B by cos B is tan B. Next denominator. Cos A by cos A cos B by cos A cos B, that is cancel, that is 1. Sin A sin B by cos A cos B. Sin A by cos A is tan A. Sin B by cos B is tan B. Overall answer is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Next to tan A minus B formula. Tan A minus B formula similarly tan A plus B formula. Put tan A minus B equal tan A plus of minus B. Put B as minus B. Tan A plus tan of minus B by 1 minus tan A into tan of minus B. Tan of minus beta is minus B is minus of tan B. So tan A minus tan B 1 plus tan A tan B, because angular tan tan angular tan is changes if it is minus also minus plus also plus, but only cos theta will not change. Next we are going cot A plus B and cot A minus B formula. If A comma B, A plus B and A minus B and R minus n pi comma n belongs to Z, belongs to A comma B, angles A comma B and A plus B, A minus B belongs to R minus n pi, where n belongs to Z. Then cot A plus B formula. Cot A plus B equal to cot A cot B minus 1 by cot A cot B plus cot A. Cot A minus B formula cot A cot B plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. So not in denominator is slightly different. Actually we are taking cot A plus cot B, but in this other taking cot B. Card B plus card E is very easy to remember, and it it is very easy to remember. Card A plus B equal to card A card B minus 1 by card B plus card A. Card A minus B equal to card A card B plus 1 by card B by card B minus card A. We are proving card A plus the formula. Cot theta is actually cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. Therefore, cot A plus B equal to cos A plus B by sin A plus B. Write the cos A plus B formula. Cos A plus B formula is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, and sin A plus B formula is in denominator sin A plus B formula is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Dividing numerator and denominator by sin A sin B. Sin A dividing numerator by sin B. Cos A cos B. Cos A cos B by sin A sin B minus sin A sin B by sin A sin B, that is cancelled, is 1. Next denominator sin A cos B by sin A sin B, sin A cancel, cos B by sin B is cot B, and cos A sin B by sin A sin B cancel, cos A by sin B, that is cot A. Overall cot A cot B, cos A by cos B into sin A by sin B, that is cos A by sin A is cot A, so cos B by sin B is cot B minus 1 by cos B by sin B is cot B plus cos A by sin A equal to cot A. So cot A plus B formula, cot A cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. Next cot A minus B formula. Cot A minus B put in place. This is same as cot A plus B formula. Put in place of B as minus B. Cot A minus cot A plus cot A minus B equal to cot A plus minus B. Cot A cot of minus B minus 1 by cot of minus B plus cot A. Here in numerator minus of cot A into cot B minus 1 by minus cot B plus cot A. Take out numerator minus as numerator as common and denominator also common, minus cancel. Cot A cot B plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. Theorem 5. And we have to prove sin A plus B into sin A minus B formula. Sin A plus B into sin A minus B is sin square A minus sin square A. Prove it. Sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Sin A plus B formula sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, and sin A minus B formula sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Multiply these two. Sin A cos B into sin A cos B. So this is same as sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin A plus B into A minus B formula. Same like us. Sin A cos B is A, cos A sin B is B. Same other part is sin A cos B minus A plus B into A minus B, that is A square minus B square. A plus B into A minus B formula, A square minus B. Similarly, is sin A cos B whole square minus cos A sin B whole square. So sin square A into this is next sin square A into cos square B minus cos A is cos square A into sin square B. Sin square A into cos square B, cos square A into sin square B. So sin square A into cos square B can be written as 1 minus sin square. Cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta. So that is cos square B is 1 minus sin square B minus cos square A is 1 minus sin square A into sin square B. So sin square A multiply, simplify. Sin square A into 1 is sin square A. Sin square A into sin square B minus sin square A into sin square B minus as minus. Uh, 1 into sin square B minus sin square B minus into minus plus sin square A into sin square B plus sin square A into sin square B. Here minus sin square A into sin square B and plus sin square A and sin square B cancel. That is sin square A minus sin square B. Remaining is sin square A minus sin square B. Therefore, sin A plus B into sin A minus B equal to sin square A minus sin square A. Is also proved. Next, cos A plus B into cos A minus B formula. Next, we have to prove cos A plus B into cos minus A minus B equal to cos square A minus sin square B. Cos A plus B into cos minus. Write the formulas of cos A plus B. Cos A plus B is cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, and cos A minus B formula is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So multiply these two. This is also same as A plus B into A minus B. Cos A cos B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B plus sin A sin B. A plus B into A minus B formula A square minus B square cos A into cos B whole square sin A into sin B whole square. That is cos square A into cos square B minus sin square A into sin square B. Cos square A as is same. Next cos square B is 1 minus sin square B minus sin square A is 1 minus cos square A into sin square B cos square A. Cos square A into 1 is cos square A minus cos square A into sin square A minus 1 into minus 1 into sin square B minus sin square B minus into minus plus cos square A into sin square B. So cos square A sin square B cancel, that is cos square A minus cos square A minus sin square B. Next, it can be easily verified that tan A plus B into tan A minus B equal to tan square A minus tan square B by 1 minus tan square A tan square B. Tan pi by 4 plus A equal to 1 plus tan A by 1 minus tan A. Tan pi by 4 minus A equal to 1 minus tan A by 1 plus tan A, just a reverse. Tan pi by 4 plus A equal to cot pi by 4 minus A. Tan pi by 4 minus A equal to cot pi by 4 plus A. Tan A plus B plus C equal to tan A plus tan B plus tan C by 1 minus tan A tan. So minus tan A tan B tan C by 1 minus tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A. Next, cot A plus B plus C equal to cot A plus cot B plus cot C minus cot A cot B cot C by 1 minus cot A cot B plus cot B cot C plus cot C cot A. I'm giving this as homework. In this class, we have discussed definition of compound angles, geometrical proof of sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, geometrical proof of cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, and formula of sin A minus B, cos A minus B, tan A plus B, tan A minus B, cot A plus B, cot A minus B, and formula of sin A plus B into sin A minus B, sin A plus B into sin A minus B, and cos A plus B into cos A minus B. Quiz. Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. This is similar to tan A minus B formula. Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan B tan B. That is tan A minus B formula. Next, cot A cot B plus 1 by cot A minus cot B. Actually, cot A plus B formula, cot A cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. But cot A minus B formula, cot A cot B plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. This is in this place, these places are reverse A and B. So take out the B minus A. So answer is the cot B minus A. Next, cos square B minus cos square A. Cos square B minus cos square A. Cos square B minus cos square A. That is sin A plus B into sin A minus B formula answer is sin square A minus sin square B. But cos A plus B into cos A minus B answer is cos square A minus sin square B. So this is nearly equal to sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Okay. Next, next class we are discussing and solving another problems using sin A plus B, sin A minus B formulas and also tan A plus B, tan A minus B, sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Next, we are discussing uh, extra problems and higher level problems. So today we are okay.